Hello, everyone. Welcome to AlphaFa Review. I'm Kois. Today, we will talk about COSORI Air Fryer Prola 5 QT Air Fryer. Quick and easy, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, quiet, 85% oil less, 130 plus recipes, 9 customizable functions, mini pizza oven, compact, dishwasher safe. The COSORI Air Fryer Prola 5 QT Air Fryer is a game changer in the realm of home cooking, offering convenience, versatility, and healthier meal options in one compact appliance, with its advanced features and user-friendly design. This air fryer has quickly become a staple in kitchens around the world. One of the standout features of the COSORI Air Fryer Prola is its ability to cook with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier alternative for those looking to reduce their fat intake without sacrificing flavor or texture. From crispy fries to juicy chicken wings, this air fryer delivers delicious results every time, all while using minimal oil. With 9 customizable functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and more, the COSORI Air Fryer Prola offers endless possibilities for culinary creativity. Whether you're craving a crispy snack or preparing a gourmet meal, this appliance has you covered. Plus, with a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve perfect results for a wide variety of dishes. What sets the COSORI Air Fryer Prola apart is its compact size and quiet operation, making it ideal for small kitchens or shared living spaces despite its size. This air fryer packs a punch, delivering consistent and evenly cooked food with minimal noise. Furthermore, the COSORI Air Fryer Prola comes with a collection of over 130 recipes to inspire and guide your culinary adventures, from appetizers to desserts. These recipes showcase the versatility and convenience of air frying, making it easier than ever to whip up delicious meals for family and friends. Cleanup is a breeze with the COSORI Air Fryer Prola, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. Simply remove the basket and tray, pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer Prola 5 QT Air Fryer is a must-have appliance for anyone looking to simplify mealtime, expand their culinary repertoire, and embrace healthier cooking habits. With its innovative features, compact design, and unbeatable convenience, this air fryer is sure to revolutionize your kitchen experience.